In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease list levels in PowerPoint. Understanding how to adjust list levels is a fundamental skill when creating presentations. It improves the structure and readability of your slides while enhancing their overall visual appeal. Let's start with increasing a list level. First, position your cursor on the line of text you want to indent. This ensures the action targets the correct line. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the paragraph group, locate the Increase List Level button. Clicking it will indent your line further to the right, creating a deeper list level and visually indicating hierarchy within your list. This is especially useful for subpoints or detailed information under a main point. A faster alternative is using your keyboard. Simply press the Tab key. This shortcut is ideal when adjusting multiple lines quickly. Now, let's learn to decrease a list level. Place your cursor on the line you want to move back to a less indented level. In the Home tab, within the same paragraph group, click the Decrease List Level button. This moves your line back to the left, restoring it to a primary list level. On the keyboard, press Shift plus Tab to achieve the same effect. This keeps your workflow smooth without switching between mouse and keyboard. Being familiar with both methods gives you flexibility and efficiency when designing slides. Whether you're creating a company report or an educational presentation, mastering list levels will make your slides more structured and professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you create more polished PowerPoint presentations.